question 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 3 plus 3 root 3. We will see here common difference. If the common differences are same, the given list of the number are AP, or else it is not an AP. Now A1, A2, A3, A4. We will check for common difference here. Now A2 minus A1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. See here students, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, or 3 minus 3 0 you can write. Only we are remaining with root 2. Now here I will take A4 minus A3 here. A4 minus A3. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of 3 plus 2 root 2. You should open this bracket by multiplying with minus sign. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. See here, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled here. 3 plus minus 2 you are getting root 2. Now or else if you want you can check for A3 minus A2 also here. A3 minus A2. Now A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of 3 plus root 2. We will multiply this minus sign with these two terms. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Now plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled here. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 gives root 2. See here students, all common differences are same here, root 2, root 2, root 2. Any confusion? No confusion? No. We can write D is equals to root 2. Now the next three terms are A5 is equals to A4 plus D. A4 is what here? 3 plus 3 root 2. D is root 2 plus root 2. 3 plus 3 plus 1, 4 root 2. Now A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2. D is root 2. 3 plus 4 plus 1, 5 root 2. Now A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. We are getting 3 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6 root 2. Therefore, the next three terms of an AP are 3 plus 5 root 4 root 2. 4 root 2, comma 3 plus 5 root 2, comma 3 plus 6 root 2. Or else just by saying also you can tell here students. See here. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, you are having root 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. See here, root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, next term is 4 root 2, next term is 5 root 2, 6 root 2, which is very easy question. Here, sixth question, 0.2, comma 0.2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, continuation. Now, see here, they have given A1, A2, A3, A4. We will check for the common difference. If the common difference is same, then it is a AP, or else it is not an AP. A2 minus A1, we will check here, 0.22 minus 0.2. When we subtract, you should subtract, how you should subtract here? See here. So you should keep decimal point under the decimal point. Say 2 minus 2, 0. So you are getting 0.02. Now we will check for A3 minus A2. A3 is what here? 0.222 minus 0.2 times 2. We will subtract here minus 0.22 to 0, 0.0. We are getting 0.002. Again we will check for A4 minus A3. 0.4 times 2 minus 3 times 2. See here students, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3, 0. See 0.0002. See here students, whether these all common differences are same? No, not same. Therefore, the given list of number does not form an AP. Therefore, first we will write common difference is not same. Common difference is not same. Not same. Therefore, the given list of numbers question 0 comma minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 up to infinity. See here they have given a1, a2, a3, a4. We will check for the common difference. If the common difference is same, then the given list of a number is an AP, or else it is not an AP. Now we will check for the common difference. A2 minus a1. A2 is here minus 4 minus 0. You are getting minus 4. A3 minus a2. A3 is what here? Minus 8. Minus of minus 4. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus minus plus you are getting, students, here. Now again plus minus minus you should do, and you should keep a bigger number sign minus, and you are getting minus 4. Again if you check for a4 minus 3, or else if you check for only 2, that's also correct here. If you want, you can check for 3 also. Now minus 12 minus minus plus 8. Again plus minus you should do, and bigger number sign you should keep minus, and 12 minus 8 you are getting minus 4. See here, students, minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. All the common differences are same. Therefore the given list of a number is a AP. Common difference D is equals to minus 4. Now next three numbers are, next three terms are, now A4 we are having. Now we have to find A5. A4 plus D. A4 is what here? A4 is minus 12, and you are getting common difference minus 12. You are getting minus 16. Now A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is minus 16. Now common difference is minus 4. Minus 16 minus 4 gives minus 20. Now A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is minus 20 minus 4. You are getting minus 24. Therefore, the next terms of an AP are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Now 8th question, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, all terms are same here. So now we will check for whether it is an AP or not. Again for checking we have to see the common difference. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. For the common difference, you should see A2 minus A1. See minus 1 by 2, minus of minus 1 by 2, you are getting minus minus plus 1 by 2. You can cancel here, or you can write directly 0. Now A3 minus A2. Again A3 is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2, again if you cancel, again you are getting 0. A4 minus A3, minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, again you are getting plus 1 by 2, which you can cancel and write 0. See now, all the common differences are same here. Therefore this the list of the numbers is an AP. Now common difference is equals to 0. Next, the next three terms of an AP are A5 is equals to A4 plus D. A4 is what? Minus 1 by 2 plus D is what? 0. You are getting minus 1 by 2 again. Now A6 is equals to A5 plus D. A5 is again minus 1 by 2 plus 0. You are getting minus 1 by 2. Again A7 we will check. A6 plus D. A6 is minus 1 by 2 plus 0. You are getting minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the next three terms of an AP are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Now 9th one, 1, 3, 9, 27. See here, whether this sequence is an AP, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. See here, students, it is a multiple of 3. Now again, anyhow we will check for the common difference. If the common difference is same, then it is the AP, or else it is not an AP. Now A2 minus A1 we will do. See here, 3 minus 1 you are getting 2. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is what? 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 you are getting 6. A4 minus A3. 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9 you are getting? How much you will get, students? 16. Here, common differences are same here. See, 2, 6, 16, whether they are same? No, they are not same. Therefore, the common differences are not same. Are not same. Therefore, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Now 10th question, A, 2, A3, A4, A, see students. His coefficient is nothing, that means there will be 1, 2, 3, 4. But here variable is A. Whether this forms an AP or not. So we will check for that. If the common difference is same, then we will write and it is an AP. Now we will check for A2 minus A1. A2 is what? 2A minus A. You are getting A. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is 3A. A2 is 2A. Now 3A minus 2A you are getting again A. A4 minus A3. A4 is 4A. A3 is 3A minus 3A. 4 minus 3A you are getting A. See here students, all the common differences are same. Therefore, this forms are AP. Therefore, D is equals to A. Now, next 3 terms of an AP are, now we will find A4 they have given A5. A5 is equals to A4 plus D. A4 is 4A. D is A. 4A plus 1A you are getting 5A. Now A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is 5A. 5A plus A you are getting 6A. Now A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is 6A plus A you are getting 7A. Therefore, the next 3 terms of an AP are 5A, 6A, 7A.